The fire and the rain from heaven. 1 Kings 18. Elijah lifted his hands to heaven and prayed out loud so all the people could hear him. He asked God to send fire on the sacrifice offered to him. In an instant, although everything was very wet, the wood, the sacrifice, and even the stones caught on fire. Everybody saw the fire that came down from heaven. King Ahab was afraid. Elijah told him to go home, and the king obeyed, since the rain was coming fast. Another special act of God was about to happen. The servants were watching the skies. Dark clouds began to appear from above the sea, and a strong wind began to blow. The people were very happy. After so many years, rain was about to fall. In the meantime, God did another special thing. He gave Elijah so much strength that when the heavy rain began to fall, he got up and ran all the way to Jezreel. He ran faster than any other man. The Lord's hand led him. He became a great runner. He even arrived at the king's house before him.